Hi, welcome back. I'm Luna, holistic trauma therapist and transformational coach. And today I'm going to be talking about the anchor object. So I'll start by reading the card. I'll share a little bit about it, but ultimately I'm inviting you to see if this is a tool that you feel like can be helpful for you if you're on your trauma healing journey. So let's get started. An anchor object is a special item you can turn to for comfort when feeling distressed. To work with an anchor object, start by selecting an item of personal significance, like an heirloom, childhood memento, nature item, spiritual object, or anything meaningful to you. Hold the object in your hands. Reflect on the positive emotions you'd like to experience. Perhaps think of a time when you felt safe, loved, or content. Allow these emotions to wash over you. Imagine imbuing all of these feelings into the object, enhancing its energy. Envision the object as a container of positive energy that you can use when needed. Consider placing the object where you can see it regularly. When you face challenging moments, hold your object. Feel its weight, texture, and energy. Let it ground you in the present. Use it to remind yourself of your strength and resilience. Let it be your anchor. If you don't already have an anchor object, and when you heard me read that card, it felt like something you want to do or that it lit you up, then I invite you to try it out. Think of something that would feel really anchoring to you, that feeling in your belly that can ground you, that can help your body sink down and feel support or feel ease or reduce anxiety. This object might have weight, like a rock, or it might be something that is meaningful to you, something that you've carried that has significance, cultural significance. You might not have any idea of what this object could be. So start to notice what attracts your attention. What's something that naturally your body and your being is drawn to? And then try that process. Just the act of being present with it, or being present, period, can be really anchoring. It can be soothing, can be comforting. And if you find that this is something that actually does benefit you, then you could use it as a regular practice and you could have more than one anchor object. So give that a try. And I would love to hear both if you already have an anchor object that you're using, or if you do try it and you discover it helps, you could inspire other people with your process, and your voice matters to me. So please do reach out. I wish you nothing but the best in your healing journey. My heart to yours. Take really good care of yourself. Bye for now.
Hi, everybody. Would you subscribe, please? It'll make the whole world a better place. Or at least yours, I hope. Thank you.